Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Saini, Managing Partner at Eco Chemicals. We have been successfully operating in the global maritime industry for over 25 years, supplying specialized cleaning chemicals and equipment for cargo hold, cargo tanks, and general cleaning. Chemicals from our trademark brand, Marclean, are of exceptional quality, IMO approved, and endorsed by tank coating manufacturers in line with MARPOL regulations. Our network of chief officers, surveyors, and port captains at Eco Chemicals provide support and consultancy to our clients as partners, acting beyond the role of our traditional supplier. We help our partners stay updated with the latest industry regulations and environmental policies by constantly reviewing and renewing our products. Each client is assured of our 24/7 availability as well as remote cleaning assistance. And with our stock points located in more than 30 countries worldwide, access to our services is made seamless and easy by our dedicated team. With our outstanding, cost-effective products and extensive knowledge, Eco Chemicals proudly serves many of the largest international shipping owners and operators today. The maritime landscape has changed immensely in the last 2 years. The downtime and expenses in moving and delivering cargo have increased, and therefore it has become crucial for operators to reduce turnaround times and cost to improve business efficiency. Here we address a unique challenge faced by many shipping operators, the complex supercargo procedure of changing from DPP to CPP. It is extremely important to be able to efficiently clean your cargo tanks to prevent cargo contamination, and if owners or charterers pursue this change to take an advantage of market opportunities, it will be a very lucrative transformation. Getting this step right will result in valuable savings of both time and money. Eco Chemicals can step in here with ready expertise to help our partners make the change. We can provide complete turnkey solution including de-slopping, de-mucking, sludge disposal, chemicals and equipment supply, supercargo services, tank inspection, and remote tank cleaning for your vessels converting from DPP to CPP at worldwide ports. We have accomplished several record-breaking dirty to clean product conversion, which include vessel class capacity of MR, LR1, Aframax, LR2, and even VLCC. Our top certified products that support this conversion are the Marclean S60 Plus and Marclean SC. The Marclean S60 Plus is a heavy-duty solvent-based NLS cargo tank cleaner, which is a low-toxic, low-aromatic, biodegradable, solvent-based tank cleaner containing emulsifying agents and petroleum solvents. It is excellent for removal of paraffin, waxes, and mineral oil, and leave virtually no film in the cargo tanks. With a high flash point of 60 degrees, it is extremely effective and economical for use. Marclean SC is one of the strongest water-based cleaning and degreasing agents available in the world today. It is based on the latest and most powerful biodegradable surface active and emulsifying agents. It is ideal for soot removing and cleaning of extremely dirty tanks after mineral oil and petroleum products. It is non-flammable and easy to apply. Eco Chemicals promises to focus on personalized service, excellent logistics, and technical proficiency to effectively reduce our partners' turnaround time, cost, and environmental impact. Experience our advanced products and services through a consultation with our qualified team and make an informed decision about your next cleaning operation. Contact us today for a complete video presentation of the DPP to CPP process. We look forward to working with you.